Hi guys, are you looking for ways to make money online but you just don't know how to? In today's video, I'm sharing with you 10 ways, 10 platforms where you can start to make money today as a freelancer. And just so you know, this is part 2. So in case you missed part 1, just go head over to this video and check out part 1 before you continue with this one. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into today's business. So come with me guys, let's go. So guys, the first platform on my list is TaskRabbit. Just so you know, TaskRabbit is a unique platform that connects you with manual or local jobs like furniture assembly, deliveries, or even assisting clients with daily errands like grocery shopping. This platform is especially popular in big cities where demand for local tasks is actually high. With flexibility in choosing tasks, you can set your own schedule and work according to your skills and available time. Don't worry, I have many more I'm going to be sharing with you. According to recent data, the average monthly income for TaskRabbit workers in major cities is about $700 to $1,200, depending on the frequency and type of tasks that are completed. Now, certain specialized tasks like small home repairs can pay even more. Now, my tip for you is this: focus on tasks that you excel at to complete them quickly and efficiently. Regularly update your profile with reviews from previous clients to build trust and attract more jobs. Now, the next website here is Behance. Yes, have you heard of Behance? I'm sure you haven't. You're hearing it for the very first time here on this channel. So guys, Behance is not just a portfolio platform, it is also a place where clients actively seek creative freelancers. Now, this platform is ideal for designers, for illustrators, photographers, and other creative professionals to showcase their work. Behance also allows users to network with a broad creative community, including potential clients from various industries. Now, while Behance doesn't feature a bidding system like other platforms, many freelancers report gaining regular clients with earnings starting at $500 per month. Additionally, many major projects originate from the high visibility that Behance provides. Clients search for freelancers based on work categories or specific tags, and it makes it essential to optimize your own portfolio. My tip for you is to regularly update your portfolio with your latest work, add compelling descriptions to each project, and use relevant tasks to make it easier for clients to find you. Also, leverage the Project Insights feature to understand how your work is reaching its audience. So guys, the next website on my list is Simply Hired. Yes, Simply Hired makes it easy for beginners to find freelance jobs across various industries, so whether it's location-based or even remote. This platform offers work in categories like writing, graphic design, data entry, administration. Focusing on location-based jobs, you can start with small projects from $10 to $50 per task. Now, with persistence and consistency, average earnings can reach $500 or even more. Simply Hired is known for its straightforward interface and the simplified job searches for beginners. My tip for you is to complete your profile with detailed skills, experience, and examples of your best work to increase your chances of being discovered by recruiters. Use search and filter features to find jobs that match your interests and skills. The key to success is consistency and courage. Joining freelance platforms doesn't instantly make you rich, but with consistency, yes, with consistency as your strategy and a solid portfolio, you can achieve a monthly income target of $500 or even more. Don't hesitate to keep learning and adapting to market demands. Now, are you ready to try one of these platforms that I've shared with you just now, or do you already have experience? Share your thoughts or your story in the comments below. In my next video, I'm going to share with you a lucrative way to make money that I recently discovered that you don't want to miss. Yes, and just so you know, I have an extra bonus tip for you, and I also have a giveaway. I'm sorry I forgot to mention it in the beginning of today's video. If you're still enjoying this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Yes, like today's video and do well to share, and join the family in case you have not by subscribing to my channel, of course, and join this family. Don't you like this girl that you're seeing? So here is my bonus tip. Now, have you guys heard of nextdoor.com? Do you know that you can make a ton of money with Nextdoor? A lot of us actually look online, we're talking to people on the internet. We're not actually talking to people in our local community. But guess what? Nextdoor is a way to actually tap into the opportunities that are closest to you. As the name suggests, Nextdoor, like your next neighbor, your next door neighbor, right, is a website or an app that you can utilize to your best advantage. Now, it is not majorly for this purpose, but I found a way to actually maximize the use of Nextdoor. So guys, what I will advise you to do is to start by creating your profile on nextdoor.com. And the next thing you need to do is go ahead and send out posts every day. Let them know you. If you use Nextdoor as your social media platform, I tell you, you will not regret it. So on nextdoor.com, what I usually do, you can use my blueprint. I always start by saying, hi, beautiful neighbors. And then I start with a quote. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing and I am so proud of you. You can start with something like, if no one believes you, like, something like that, that inspires and encourages people, to believe more in themselves. Just tell them those sweet words, meaning from the depth of your heart, and then go ahead. Get to the point. You tell them, introduce yourself. My name is X and Y. I provide X and Y services. Now, let me tell you something a lot of people do not realize about Nextdoor. Now, let's assume that you have your city is made up of 100,000 residents, right? Out of the 100,000 residents, if you're only able to get 1%, convert 1% of those 100,000 people as a client, you have made it in life. You have made it in life. So out of 100,000 residents, if 1,000 of them can convert to become your client, even 0.5%, that's 500 people, 500 clients out of them. Whatever it is that you offer, you're already you're a made millionaire, you're not even a billionaire. So yes, that is one way to do it. So always accompany your posts with pictures or pictures of job done or jobs that you can do. So go ahead and tell them, hi, beautiful neighbors. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing and I'm so proud of you. Let me go ahead. Let me take this moment to introduce myself. If it is the second time you're posting, you say, let me take this moment to reintroduce myself. Then go ahead and tell them, my name is X and Y. I offer X and Y services and I'm available to do this. Please tell them how they can reach you, whether through email, whether through text message. Just leave your phone number if you want them to reach you through text message or call you. So, or you have a website, go ahead and share it. Or you want to share your social media pages, because sometimes they want to find out if you're a real person or a bot, or you're just profiling to, and they need to know if you're actually trustworthy and a true neighbor in the community. Or maybe someone knows you, right? So go ahead and tell them how they can reach you. You can also tell them that you're available via DM. Sales are still going on in the DMs, so tell them to reach out to you through your DM. If that is also applicable to you, tell them how they can reach you. That is very important. And share pictures of your job, your past jobs, or what you can do. In case you are just about to start, you're just starting to promote or to build your portfolio. Even if you're a freelancer, yes, you can offer your graphic services, your writing service. If you're a copywriter, write it. Just see, you'll be surprised how many people need your services. So guys, if you're new to this channel, by all means, now, ain't me, introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you where in the world are you tuning in from. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and your massive support to your girl. I see you guys and I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. So besties, in case you're seeing me for the very first time, I'm sure you'll be wondering, so guys, my name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. So this is one of my pieces. And if you want to see the full picture, don't worry, it's not a real human being. Can you see? It's a plastic something. It's actually a mannequin. So that's my mannequin. So yes, and my website, you can shop from my website. I have this available in different colors. So yes, go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from, me, Jamie? Oh yeah, let's chat in the comments. And if this video has blessed you, please do not forget to like today's video. Do well to share. And if you have any question for me, please let me know in the comments. I do not buy. This is not just my channel. It's your channel. It's our channel. So yes, feel free to ask your questions and I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. So I see you again in my next video. Take care of yourselves. Keep winning and keep sparkling for God. Justice. Bye guys.